Hello all students, welcome our YouTube channel. Contact me my WhatsApp number and I can help you for Excel assignment, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment and then SS assignment for Sanjay and then textbook project for Sanjay for 2026 semester for Sanjay and my WhatsApp number show on the PC. So contact me my WhatsApp number and whole watching we are doing a step by step. So do not waste time for students. So let's start assignment for Shelly Kashmir collection assignment. So let's start. Then go to the next page, so then blank page, so next, so then blank page, okay, so next, then blank, so next, then start Excel and then create the blank workbook in the Excel. Okay, go to the Sanjay and then download Excel file for blank file. Okay, then open Excel file for blank. Okay, then loading of the Excel, I am waiting, no issue. Okay, so go to the instruction again, then click cell A1. Okay, go Excel, then select cell A1 already selected. Okay, then type the Atalacity Super. Okay, simply copy, then go Excel and then paste, then paste. Okay, okay, then next type the employer sales report in cell A2. Okay, so then copy, then copy, go Excel again, then select cell A2 and then simply paste. Okay, then next page, then click cell A5 and then type the employee. Okay, so then copy, then go to the Excel, then select cell A5 and then simply paste. Okay, so then go back, then type the email in cell B5. So then copy, then go Excel, then select cell B5 and then paste. Okay, so then go, then type the total service amount in cell C5. So then copy new text, then go Excel again, then select cell C5 and then paste. Okay. Then go back instruction, then type the service count in cell D5. Okay, so then copy, then go to the Excel again, then select cell D5 and then paste. Okay. Then next type the service commission in cell E5. So then copy, then go back, then select cell E5 and then paste. Okay. So then go back, then type the storefront sale in cell F5. Okay, so then copy, then go back, then select cell F5 and then paste. Okay, so next, then type the sale commission in cell G5. So then copy, okay, then select cell G5 and then paste. Okay, then go back instruction, then type the watch work in cell H5. So then copy, then go back Excel, then select cell H5 and then paste. Okay, then next, then type the watch pay rate in cell I5. Okay, so then copy, then select cell I5 and then paste. Okay, so next type the gross pay in cell J5. So then copy, then select cell J5 and then paste. Okay, so next type the gross sale in cell K5. So then copy, then go back, then select cell K5 and then paste. Okay, so next click cell A5 and then drag the line 5 until K5. Okay, so then type the web text button. Okay, so then go back, then select the row 5. So then end it K5. Okay, then go to the home tab and then apply the web text. So then see no issue. Okay, so then see no issue. So next, so go to the next page. Okay, then click cell A5 and then type the pay period. Okay, so then copy, then go back and then select cell A3 and then type. Okay, so then go back, then type the 5/1/29 in cell C3. Okay, so then copy, then select cell C3, then select it, then paste. Okay, so then go back. Okay, so next type the 5/14/29 in cell D3. Okay, so then copy, then go back, then select cell D3. Okay, so then selected, then paste. Okay, so next, then select cell A6, type the Bennett alias. Okay, so then copy Bennett alias, then go back and then select cell A6 and then paste. Okay, so next, then type the 2458.60 in cell C6. Okay, so then go back, then select cell C6, then paste the value. Okay, so next, then type the 12 in cell D6. Okay, so then type the 12 in cell D6. Okay, then type the 112.98 in cell F6. Okay, so then copy, then select cell F8, F6. So then by mistake. Okay, then next type the 80 in cell H8, then type the 80 in cell H8. Okay, then next type the 20 in cell I6, so then type the 20 in cell I6. Okay, then next point step 8, then step 8 9 completed, and next part 10, then enter the pay data in cell table 2.1 in the remaining quarter in cell in row 5 7 and then 17. Okay, so then click and then type the remaining data. Okay, so then see remaining data. Okay, so then I will copy all data, no issue. Okay, so I am using keyboard, then go Excel again, then select the range B, then select the range A7 up to C17. Okay, so then selected. Okay, first time. Okay, so then paste, then C, then change the column value. Okay, so then copy, then cut, and then change the value. Okay, so then change value, then see no issue. Next, change value, column value. Okay, so then cut, then change the value, column value, then see, change the value. Okay, so then see no issue I have. Okay, so next remaining quarter, then line A13 to A17 remaining value. Okay, so then I will check next data, then again open. Okay, so then check the whole table. Okay, so then see whole table. Okay, so then next I will check, then selected line 18 Martin. Okay, so then select the Martin, then next Nell Richard. So then copy Nell Richard. Okay, so next petal Amy. So then copy, then paste. Okay, so next, then copy, then paste. Next, then copy, then paste. Okay, then next, copy, then paste. Okay, so then see no issue. Okay, so then go back. So next, then copy, then next column C value. Okay, so then paste. So next, then copy, then paste. Next, then copy and then paste. Okay, So then next copy, then paste, then copy the last value for column C, then paste. Okay, so then C no issue for column C value. Okay, so next column D, then type the and it 59, then next 5, then next 4, next 5. Okay, and next 5 8, then type the 8. Okay, then next 11 6 and then 9. Okay, so then type the 11, then 6 and then 9. So then see no issue. Okay, so then close the table. Okay, so then go to the next page. So blank page, so next. Okay, so then click cell B6. Okay, so then go to the Excel, then select cell B6. Okay, then type the Bennett alias example.com. Okay, so then copy the email, then copy, then go back and then paste. Okay, so then paste, then next, then select cell B7 and then type the .tom example.com. Okay, so then copy, then go back and then paste. Okay, and then select the value B8 up to B17 and then type the flash fill. Okay, so then select the value, then go to the home tab and then apply the flash fill. So then see no issue. Okay, I will check screenshot image and issue, then see no issue. Okay, so then see, so go to the next page. Okay, then select cell A80, then type the total. Okay, so then copy, then go to the Excel and then select cell A80 and then type the total. Okay, so next, then type the high in cell A90. Okay, so then copy, then type the cell A90. Okay, so next, and then type the low in cell B20. Okay, so then A20. So then by mistake. Okay, so then paste. Okay, then next type the average in cell A21. Okay, so then copy, then paste. Okay, so then see no issue. Okay, so then see. Okay, so go to the next page, then double click cell sheet tab 1 and then enter the sale report. Okay, so then copy and then rename the sheet, then C and then rename. Okay, so then see no issue. Okay, so then go to the tab color and then apply the green accent 6. Okay, so then go to the tab color, then apply the green accent 6, then see, then apply. Okay, so then and then save the workbook and then name the Shelly Cashman EX2 Atlas. Okay, so then copy, then go to the file tab and then go to the computer gallery and then name, and then save the workbook for Excel workbook, then save. Okay, so go to the next page. So next page. Okay, so then select cell E6. Okay, go Excel, then select cell E6, put equal sign, then type the function, then start bracket and then C6 multiplied by 0.5. Okay, so then go back, then select cell C6, then start bracket, then select cell C6 and then multiply by zero point 0.5. Okay, so then multiply by 0.5. So then by mistake, then multiply by 0.5. Okay, then close bracket. Okay, then C. Okay, then next, type the plus sign, then type the plus sign, then again start bracket. Okay, then d6, then select cell d6, then multiply by 12, then close bracket, then click OK. So then see no issue. Okay, so I will check screenshot image, then see no issue. Okay, so next go to the next page, then blank page. Okay, so next, then type the cell and then select cell G6. Okay, so then select cell G6, then type the function equal sign 2575. Okay, so then simply copy, do not waste your time. Okay, so then next, then multiply by f6. Okay, so then multiply by f6, then see, then click OK. So then see no issue. Okay, so then see same image. Okay, so then select cell J6. Okay, so then select cell J6, put equal sign. Okay, so then type the, okay, so then go to the cell E6, then E6. Okay, then type the plus sign. Okay, so then type the plus sign. Okay, so then see, apply the plus sign. Okay, then minimizing screen. Okay, okay, so then next select cell G6 and then type the again plus sign. Yes, okay, so then select cell H6, then H6, then next, then apply the multiply by, then multiply by I6, I6. Then see no issue, I will check screenshot image, then see no issue. Okay, then click cell K6. Okay, so then K6 put equal sign. Okay, so then type the plus sign and then select cell C6, type the plus sign. Okay, then click cell F6. Okay, then see no issue. Okay, so then click OK, then click OK, then see no issue. Okay, so then go to the next page. Okay, so then use the fill handle, then see, then fill. So then I will check screenshot image. Then I will check column F function. Yes, no issue. Okay, so then go to the next page. Okay, so contact me my WhatsApp number. Okay, so textbook project is so long assignment and is so long, but contact me my WhatsApp number and I can help you for Excel assignment, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment, and then assess assignment for Sanjay, and then textbook project for Sanjay, and then I can help you Excel class for Sanjay and get all assignment 90 plus score. So thank you so much for watching my video. Again, thanks.